So you're looking for some really comfortable sandals? Well, I'll tell you what all the rage is this season coming up. Hey, welcome back. If you're watching this video, you're probably really interested about this Oofos brand that you see on the wall behind me. It is one of my best sellers. I'm Teri Edmonds coming to you from my shoe store, If the Shoe Fits, in Maui, Hawaii, where I specialize in shoe repair and specialty footwear, and especially really comfortable shoes like Oofos. All right, so let's talk about the Oofos. What I like to carry, I'll give you my favorites. Oofos carries it is specially known for athletic recovery. It is great if you have plantar fasciitis. It has wonderful arch support, as I will show you, but first let's run through some of the styles. First off, I have your basic. This is the basic sandal here. It comes in multiple colors. You're seeing it here in the navy, and it is also offered in brown, black, red, periwinkle, sometimes cranberry, and sometimes forest green, depending if you can get your hands on it. If you see it and you like it, buy it, because they go fast. All right, and then one of the other shoes that I like, if you want something a little bit dressier, but still taking the benefit of all of the recovery and health for your shoes, your feet, there is a more of a shiny one. Look at that, isn't that fun? This is called Crimson Red. I'm going to call it patent, even though it's not real patent leather. It's a shiny version. And it comes in the red. It comes in this really fun blue color. Seems to be like a good seller. And it does really well. There's also a hot pink, a champagne, and black. I don't think I brought one of those. And so then the other thing that they offer is their Clog. And this happens to be the matte finish. This is their lowest priced clog. It does come in a patent plastic, so shiny, a little more dressy, in a couple of different colors. I believe there's like almost like a pewter finish. There's also the black patent, and sometimes you can get, I'm not sure if they do white, but anyway, definitely the patents are nice. And one thing I like to recommend is if you work in a kitchen and you're having trouble finding a good kitchen shoe, because I get asked all the time, I'd recommend you get the Clog and go to your local cobbler and have them put on a slip-resistant sole. It can be done, and it can be done for under $100. When I was in the food service industry, it didn't really matter what it looked like as long as I was comfortable, because I was on my feet all day and lifting heavy trays and things like that. So the Clog, okay, love that. And then for those of you that can't wear anything in between your toes, set these down, would be the slide. And the slide also comes in a navy and a slate, has no toe piece. And what else about it? It does come in the shiny version as well, in case you want to dress it up just a little bit. They do call these unisex, and the sizes go from a men's 3, and in some styles will go up to a men's 14. So that's kind of great for you guys that have big feet. Anyway, that's it. The Oofos, awesome, awesome shoe. You can always find them at my store, If the Shoe Fits, where I'm always carrying a variety of colors and sizes. So thanks again for joining me, Oofos. We'll join the bandwagon because they're comfortable. Thanks again for joining me from Hawaii. Check out my website, teriedmonds.com, for more shoe goodness. You can also find more of these videos, shoe reviews, and shoe tutorials, and a shopping page on my website. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Hello.